Hello everyone, in this video we learn what is anchor tag in HTML. तो शुरू करते हैं. So we are in this VS Code. Let me create one file anchor tag.html. In this file I create one boilerplate Shift+1 and give the title to anchor tag. Okay, so what is anchor tag in HTML? With the help of anchor tag, we link one page to another page. Let me show you. Suppose I open one website, flipkart.com. In this website, suppose I click on laptop. So laptop will open in the new tab. Okay, suppose I click. So the laptop will open on the new tab. Let me click second one. So HP Pavilion Core laptop will open in the new tab. Okay, let me show some more. Suppose I write Amazon. Suppose I click on watch. Okay, so watch open in the same tab. So it link one page to another page. So let me do this in VS Code. Write A is for anchor tag and href is attribute of anchor tag. Let me write first. Go to Amazon, okay, and paste the link of Amazon, https www.amazon.com. okay, Ctrl S to save. Run this file. If I click go to Amazon, then it will open the Amazon website, okay, on the same tab. Let me show you one more. So go to Flipkart, okay, and paste the link in href. Let me copy the Flipkart link, Flipkart, and copy the link. Control C, then Control V. Okay, let me create one more. Hexnbit, okay, and paste the Hexnbit website link. Let me copy the Hexnbit website link. So copy the URL and paste in the href. Okay, Control S and open the first. I close the tab and run this file again. Okay, let me write one br tag to break the line. Control S to save. If I click on go to Amazon, it will open Amazon page. Okay. If I click go to Flipkart, it will go to the Flipkart website. And if I click on Hexnbit website, then it will open Hexnbit. Okay, but in the same tab. So if I want the page will open in the next tab, then use target attribute. Target and give underscore blank value. Okay, let me copy this and paste all of these. Okay, Control S to save. If I click on go to Amazon, then Amazon website open in the new tab. Okay, so Amazon website open in the new tab. If I click on go to Flipkart, then Flipkart is open in the new tab. If I click Hexnbit, then Hexnbit is open in the new tab. Okay, so href is the attribute of anchor tag. Target is also attribute of anchor tag. We write anything after underscore, we write anything. Suppose I write hello, it should work. Okay, suppose let me close all the tabs. If I click go to Amazon, it will open. We can write anything after underscore. Okay, let me do this. Suppose I write XYZ, Control S to save. If I click on Flipkart, then it will open. Okay, we write image tag also. Let me do this. Suppose I write anchor tag. In the anchor tag, I write one image tag. Okay, and give the image also. Let me copy one src. Suppose I go to Hexnbit website and copy the Hexnbit logo. Let me copy the logo, copy image address and paste in the src. Okay, and if I click on this logo, the Hexnbit website is open. Okay, let me copy the URL also and paste in the anchor tag href. Okay, Control S to save. Okay, if I click on this logo, the Hexnbit website is open. If I want, the website will open in the new tab. Then use target and give the value underscore blank, or you can give anything after underscore. Control S to save. If I click on the Hexnbit logo, it will open in the new tab. Let me first close all the tabs. Okay, if I click on the logo, then will it open in the new tab. Okay, and Hexnbit website will open. Okay, so with the help of href, we link one page to another page. Okay, with the help of target, the website which we link is open in the new tab. Okay, and in the image src, we paste the image link or image address, and in the alt is alternate name. Suppose by default I do some mistake and I give name to the logo, Control S to save, then it will display the alternate name. Let me show you. Okay, logo is display. So that's it in this video. Thank you.